Morning to one and all. So the third unit is single phase AC circuits. We are going to discuss here. Yesterday we have already started some points. This is the sub unit, the syllabus of the third unit. So in this one, very interesting subject actually. It is third unit is very interesting and it is more useful than first two units because this unit is applicable all over in your houses and all the things. So the basic knowledge of the AC circuit should you should have for your, at least for the residential purposes, at least something switches get damaged, how much voltage, what is the rating of that one, little bit you can understand from this unit. So introduction to AC, how it is generating the voltage and current, concept of cycle, period, frequency, phase means what is the difference, phase difference, what is the instantaneous value, peak value, RMS value, average value, form factor, peak factor we have already discussed, and some I told that one in your houses, whatever the light is there, lamp is there, that is resistive load. Inductive load is different, whatever the motors and all the things are there. The capacitive loads are different in the fan and all some capacitance we are going to add over there. So like that, each and everything, combination of resistance, inductance, resistance, capacitance, and combination of resistance, inductance, capacitance, how it is going to operate, what is the phasor diagram, what is the waveform, we are going to discuss in this chapter. So yesterday I told you people that alternating voltage and current changes continuously in magnitude. Magnitude means the value here, whatever the voltage value or current value here. It continuously changes in magnitude and alternates in direction. Alternates in direction is positive half cycle, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, like that, positive and negative. It is going to move like here. So for the positive, it will go 0 to maximum value. Whatever this term is there, just a minute, I will take the annotate. Spotlight, I will take that one, then you will understand. This one, whatever this is peak value also we are going to consider. And the magnitude of this one is this, whatever the maximum value is there, that is magnitude we are going to consider. Suppose 230 volt is there, here 230 value it is going to indicate here. That is the peak value here. This is the peak value and magnitude also we are going to consider. So here one half cycle, positive half cycle, one negative half cycle. This is called one cycle we are going to call that one here. No? Complete one cycle we are going to call this one here. So this is the voltage waveform and this is the current waveform here. Current waveform. At time t 0, if the 0, the voltage will be 0. When it will time will start to move here, it will reaches to its value here now. When the time is 90 degree, omega t is 90 degree the angle, then it will get the peak value here now. And little bit when it will come to 180, it will become 0. Again for the 270, it is maximum value. Next for the 360, it is 0 here now. So 0 to 90, it will reach its peak value. And 90 to 180, come back to 0. Again from the 180 to 270, it will reach just to maximum value. Like this, the magnitude will change continuously and alternates its direction. Positive half cycle, negative, positive value, negative value. Like that, it will alternates and it changes its direction. We are going to call that. Considering this AC and DC, some advantages of AC over a DC are there here. Some advantages of AC system over a DC system also we can consider. So AC voltage can be efficiently stepped up and stepped down using transformer. So in the previous class we have discussed about the transformer. What is the function of the transformer principle? What is the function? It may step up the voltage or current and it may step down the voltage and current. It's nothing but electrical power is can be stepped up and stepped down. Yes or no? You can increase the electrical power and you can decrease by using the oh, transformer. We can increase the voltage and we can decrease the voltage. We can increase the current and voltage, both it is possible by using a transformer. So from the transformer only we can step up and step down. In the transformer we are increasing and decreasing, step up and step down by supplying the DC supply. We are supplying the DC. What is the input to the transformer? Hello.
Yes, sir.
What is the input to the transformer? What is the input?
Current.
Current. AC or DC?
DC.
DC. Whatever the transformer we have discussed, the primary side we are giving DC supply or AC supply?
AC.
AC.
How you are giving DC? Someone has told it is a DC supply. I clearly told while explaining the function of the transformer, the primary is connected to the single phase AC supply. For that reason only, single phase, we have used the word single phase transformer here now. So here also single phase AC circuits we are using. So in the AC only it is possible to increase the voltage and decrease the voltage here. In the DC we cannot do that one. We can do, but the cost of that one will be increases. Even I have taken the example of the your mobile charger. पहले AC we are giving from the board. तुम्हारा electricity board से क्या आने वाला AC आ रहा है ना? That AC is converted पहला step down. We are going to do the step down. Whatever the required for the mobile voltage कितना चाहिए? 5 to 10 volts or 12 volts we are required here. In the board कितना आ रहा है? 220-30 वोल्टेज आ रहे हैं, बट उसको स्टेप डाउन करना है. वोल्टेज शुड बी स्टेप डाउन एंड बेस्ड ऑन दैट वन आफ्टर स्टेपिंग डाउन द वोल्टेज लेवल देन वी आर गोइंग टू कन्वर्ट इनटू डीसी. पहला डीसी कन्वर्शन करके बाद में उसको कम नहीं कर सकते. So that means again the cyclo converter and all the things, some DC to DC converters are required. They are very costlier. So the transformer is very cheap and it is possible only in AC only to step up and step down efficiently. Understood? That is the major advantages of AC system. We can AC voltage can be efficiently stepped up and stepped down using the transformer. By using a transformer we can increase the voltage level and we can decrease the voltage level here. Understood?
Yes, sir.
AC motors are cheaper and simpler in construction than DC motors here. Everyone knew in your houses you may have the motor in the borewell system and all the otherwise whatever the tanks are there inside the that one, and you are going to shift the water from ground floor to the terrace in the syntax. And that situation you are going to use the motors. Yes, will you use the motor or not?
Yes, sir.
Which motor you are using, AC or DC?
AC.
Why? DC मोटर नहीं है क्या मार्केट में अवेलेबल? DC मोटर्स नहीं है अवेलेबल मार्केट में?
Yes, sir.
DC motors are available, but in your houses everyone सबका घर में AC सप्लाई आ रहा है, किधर भी DC सप्लाई नहीं आ रहा है. फिर DC मोटर लिए तो उसको पहले DC को कन्वर्शन करने का, बाद में DC मोटर लगाने का, उसके लिए मार्केट में DC मोटर्स आर नॉट गोइंग टू अवेलेबल बिकॉज everywhere everyone is using adapted or familiarized with the AC motors only, because AC motors are cheaper than DC motors. In your houses we are not, first of all we are not getting the DC voltage. DC supply हमको घर में नहीं मिलने वाला है. We have to, if we want to use the DC supply, then we have to convert that one AC to DC. Every house is connected with the AC supply only. For that reason, and the AC motors are cheaper than the DC motors. So AC motors are cheaper and simpler in construction. The motors construction is very simple, AC motor constructions, than DC motors. So this is the another advantages or advantage of the AC system here. Third one, I told that one every house is connected to the AC supply only. Whatever the switch gear for AC system is simpler than DC. Whatever the substations they are going to in your house, outside the village and outside the city and all the things, some substations they are going to install that one. Bigger poles, transformers, heavy machineries they are going to use that one. In that one they are going to install the AC system here. So the switch gear and protection system we are going to call actually. that is very simple for the AC than DC system. The DC system is dangerous also. For that reason only, all over the world, almost we have adopted, we are familiarized for the AC system only. So the switchgear production is simpler, construction is simpler, cheaper equipments are available, and we can increase the voltage, decrease the voltage in AC. So the advantages of AC are more than the DC voltage. Is it clear? Understood? क्यों
Yes,
एसी
sir.
यूज करने का हम बोल के घर में क्यों एसी क्यों आ रहा है? अभी ऐसा डायरेक्ट घर में डीसी आ रहा है तो अभी लैपटॉप को अडाप्टर की जरूरत नहीं था. लैपटॉप को अडाप्टर रहता ना एक,
Yes, sir.
और मोबाइल चार्जर को भी अडाप्टर की जरूरत नहीं था. डायरेक्ट हमने जैसा हम लैंप का स्विच का बटन ऑन करते ऐसा उधर भी ऑन कर सकता था मोबाइल को. बट अडाप्टर इज मेनली used for the purpose of conversion of AC to DC. Maybe in the future, in some houses already, actually this is not part of your syllabus, but just for your knowledge I am telling, some of the bigger means metro cities and all the things, some houses, apartments, villas, nowadays they are installing DC also. Nowadays why? Everyone is अभी मोबाइल को कन्वर्शन करके एक अडाप्टर यूज करने का. अभी 10 में घर में 10 लोग है, 10 लोगों को ये मोबाइल तो कंपलसरी है ना? 10 लोगों के पास अभी मोबाइल कंपलसरी है. उसके लिए हर एक को एक एक पावर पॉइंट का जरूरत नहीं है. अभी इसमें क्या करने का, एक ही अडाप्टर यूज करके उसे डीसी कन्वर्शन करके ऐसा पॉइंट दे देने का, उनका बेडरूम में वायरिंग कर देने का, उनका उनका प्लेस में डायरेक्ट वो क्या करने का, 2 वायर लेने का, उसको पिन कनेक्ट करने का, स्विच करके यूज कर सकते विदाउट एनी अडाप्टर ऑप्शन. So that is researches are going on that one. Your house LEDs are also they are going to acquire DC supply only nowadays. So we can shift from AC to DC also. But these are the advantages of AC system over DC system. Next we will go for the next topic, that is some important definitions we are going to discuss here. Important definitions. I told that one, amplitude. What do you mean by amplitude? It is the maximum value attained by alternating quantity. Maximum value. I will explain these all 4 things: amplitude, time period, instantaneous value, and frequency by using the waveform only. This one I will just. What is the waveform? This one. Just consider this one here now. Amplitude means maximum value attained by a value here now. Attained by a voltage or current here now. What is the maximum value attained here? V max is there. This one. This is the maximum value, na? So V max is attained by 1 quarter cycle. Quarter cycle को attained हो गए. So this is the amplitude we are going to consider. What is the maximum value attained by a parameter, voltage or current here now? This is the maximum value here. This is the magnitude we are going to call that one. Magnitude. And whatever this complete cycle is there, that is the time period consisting of 1 half cycle and 2 half cycles, or 1 half positive half cycle, 1 negative half cycle. It will call that one as 1 complete cycle is nothing but our time duration we are going to consider here. Time duration. Frequency is the number of cycles. This is 1 cycles. How many cycles it will complete per second, that is called frequency, and that frequency equal to 1 by t. 1 by t is nothing but time period we are going to add here. So this amplitude is also called as peak value. The maximum value is also called as peak value. We are going to call that one. Instantaneous value. One more definition is there. Instantaneous value is nothing but, suppose the time 0, omega t equal to 0, the value of the voltage will be 0. Yes. After 30 degree, what is the value here now? It may be some value here now. This is the instantaneous value here now. For 30 degree, 10 degree, 20 degree, and 90 degree, 120 degree, 140 degree, 160 and 180 degree. Here each point को हमको मिलते हैं ना, that is called instantaneous. अभी 30 degree चल रहे, 30 degree को कितना value है ना, that is instantaneous value. Next 120 को चल रहे, 120 value को कितना value है, that is instantaneous value. Is it clear? Amplitude, peak value, instantaneous value, and frequency. Peak value and amplitude both are same only. Instantaneous means पर्टिकुलर डिग्री एंगल को, ये पॉइंट को कितना वोल्टेज है, ये पॉइंट को कितना है, ये पॉइंट को कितना है, इधर कितना है, नेक्स्ट इधर कितना है, दैट इज कॉल्ड इंस्टेंटेनियस वैल्यू वी आर गोइंग टू कॉल. पीक वैल्यू मींस ये इधर रहने दो, इधर रहने दो. व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम वैल्यू, आउटर लाइन दिस वन, मैक्सिमम वैल्यू कितना है ना, दैट इज पीक वैल्यू और एम्पलीट्यूड वी आर गोइंग टू कॉल दैट. Complete one cycle is nothing but time duration we are going to call. Number of cycles per second is nothing but frequency. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
This waveform. So same we have written
Yes,
here. It is the amplitude is the maximum value attained by an alternating quantity, also called as maximum or peak value, denoted by Vm or Im. If it is voltage, we can call that one as Vm is nothing but Vmax is nothing but maximum voltage, or Im is nothing but maximum current, or Imax we can call that amplitude. Time period is the time taken in seconds to complete one cycle of an alternating quantity. It may be alternating quantity is nothing but it may be voltage or it may be current. To complete whatever, how much time it will take to complete one cycle, that is called time period we are going to consider. Time period. And frequency is the number of cycles that occurs in 1 second. वन साइकिल कंप्लीट करने के लिए कितना टाइम लेते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड टाइम पीरियड वी आर गोइंग टू कंसीडर. बट नंबर ऑफ साइकिल्स पर सेकंड, एक सेकंड में कितना साइकिल्स कंप्लीट होते हैं ना, दैट इज कॉल्ड फ्रीक्वेंसी वी आर गोइंग टू कॉल दैट. Frequency we are going to call that one. Instantaneous value is the value of the quantity at any instant, denoted by V or I here now, denoted by capital V and capital I here now. Suppose I told that one somewhere for the 30 degree, I will show that one, that is the V we are going to consider. Instantaneous value means instantaneously, particular that time only, understood? So here time taken to complete f cycles. F cycles कितना करने के लिए कितना चाहिए, 1 seconds चाहिए. So time taken to complete one cycle is nothing but 1 by f. So t equal to 1 by f and f equal to 1 by t. We can write or not? T equal to 1 by f and f equal to 1 by t. Is it clear up to here? If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Up to here, you have any doubts? Up to these values. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Then take the heading unit 3. Take the heading unit number 3. Unit number 3. Single phase AC circuits. Unit number 3. Single phase AC circuits. Single phase AC circuits. Single phase AC circuits. Over.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में लिख दो. डोंट टेक द सिलेबस डायरेक्टली, डोंट टेक द डायग्राम लेने का जरूरत नहीं है अभी. इधर लिखो एन अल्टरनेटिंग वोल्टेजेस एंड करंट, एन अल्टरनेटिंग वोल्टेजेस एंड करंट, एन अल्टरनेटिंग वोल्टेजेस एंड करंट changes continuously in magnitude, changes continuously in magnitude, changes continuously in magnitude and alternates in direction, alternates in direction at regular intervals of time, at regular intervals of time, regular intervals of time. Over.
Yes, sir.
Next slide. Write down advantages of AC system over DC system. Small heading you take down. Advantages of AC system. Advantages of AC system over a DC system. Over a DC system. DC system. Number one. AC voltages can be efficiently stepped up. AC voltages can be efficiently stepped up slash down, stepped up slash down using transformer, using transformer, using transformer. Full point. Full point. Number two. Number two. AC motors are cheaper. AC motors are cheaper. AC motors are cheaper and simpler and simpler. AC motors are cheaper and simpler in construction than DC motors. AC motors are cheaper and simpler in construction than DC motors. DC motors. Third one. Third one. Switchgear for AC system is simpler than switchgear. Switchgear for AC system is switchgear for AC system is simpler than DC systems. Simpler than DC system. Full point. Next heading you take down. Important definitions. Important terms you write down. Heading. Important terms. Don't take this one. I will show you one diagram. Important terms. बोल के लिखो. Important terms. Heading ले important terms.
Yes.
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay. This take this diagram. ये diagram लेने का सिर्फ. Only this diagram you take down. ये लेने का जरूरत नहीं. Only this one you take down this. Left side दिख रहा है ना voltage V. This diagram you take down. Over. Over.
Yes, sir.
Have you taken this diagram completely?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Only this diagram. Okay. Next heading number one. Next heading you take down. Write down amplitude. Amplitude. Next heading you write down amplitude. The double inverted comma you write down. Double inverted comma. It is the maximum value attained by. It is the maximum value attained by. It is the maximum value attained by an alternating quantity. An alternating quantity. Alternating quantity. Bracket में लिखो voltage or current. Alternating quantity. Voltage or current. Voltage or current. Bracket close. Full point. Double inverted comma complete. Double inverted comma complete. It is also called as. Next line. It is also called as maximum value or peak value. It is also called as maximum value or peak value. Maximum value or peak value. Peak value. And It is denoted by VM, capital VM or IM. It is denoted by capital VM or IM. Capital VM or IM. Full point. See heading लिया है क्या? एम्पलीट्यूड हेडिंग लिया ना?
Yes, sir.
उसका बाजू में लिखो और पीक वैल्यू बोल के लिखो, और पीक वैल्यू, और पीक वैल्यू. Over.
Yes, sir.
Next one. Next heading you take down time period. In capital you write down T. In bracket capital T you write down time period. In bracket capital T. This time period you write down. Next line double inverted comma. It is the time taken in seconds. It is the time taken in seconds. To complete one cycle. To complete one cycle of an alternating quantity of an alternating quantity full punch. Over.
Yes, sir.
Next one, instantaneous value. To take the heading instantaneous value. In bracket में लिखो VRI, small v लिखो, small v or I, small v or small I, small v or small I, small v or small I. It is the value of the quantity. It is the value of the quantity at any instant. It is the value of the quantity at any instant. Full point double inverted comma complete. It is the value of the quantity at any instant. Full point. Next heading you take down frequency. In bracket F. You write down. In bracket you write down F. Next line in the double inverted comma you write down. It is the number of cycles. It is the number of cycles that occur in 1 second. It is the number of cycles that occur in 1 second. It is the number of cycles that occur in 1 second. Full point double inverted comma complete. Full point double inverted comma complete. Next line में लिखो. It is denoted by F. It is denoted by F. It is denoted by F and measured in hertz. HZ measured in hertz. HERTZ लिखो, नहीं है तो और HZ लिखो, are cycles per second. It is measured in hertz or cycles per second. Cycles per second. Full point. Next line. The relationship between the frequency and time period. The relationship between the frequency and time period can be derived as follows. Full point. Next line you write down. Time taken to complete F cycles. Equal to 1 second. Time taken to complete F cycles equal to 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. Then next line, then time taken to complete one cycle equal to time taken to complete one cycle, in bracket you write down capital T, in bracket you write down capital T, equal to equal to equal to 1 by f seconds, 1 by f seconds. Time taken to complete one cycle in bracket capital T equal to 1 by f second, 1 by f second, or T equal to 1 by f. You can write down T equal to 1 by f. Therefore, next line, therefore f equal to 1 by T, f equal to 1 by T hertz, f equal to 1 by T hertz over
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
equal to 1 by T hertz. Full point. Next heading you take down. Next heading, generation of generation of generation of sinusoidal AC voltage. Generation of sinusoidal AC voltage. Sinusoidal AC voltage. Full point. See here. Now stop writing and listen carefully here. Stop writing and listen carefully. Just listen carefully. See, this is the diagram. Here two magnets are there here, north and south. One person you try to interact with me. Then only I can explain very well. You will understand also. Two magnets are there here, 1 and 2,
Yes, sir.
north and south pole. In between these two magnets, some flux is created, magnetic field is created, flux lines are flowed from north to south pole, flowing here.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
So here the magnetic flux is created here. And one fixed whatever what I am using, singleton coil I am using here now. This is the coil, electrical conductor is there here. Electrical conductor is there here. Electrical conductor is there. At the plane to the horizontal to that, whatever the flux lines are there here. Whatever the flux lines horizontals are there, like that I am using the horizontal plane here. I will take the example. My face is visible to you, all of you.
Yes, sir.
See here this side and this side. Maybe nahi hai. I'll take any one paper here. Okay, I will take the paper here. So this paper is placed in between the magnetic field. A side may be magnetic field, A side may be magnetic field. So yes, either here to here, both sides, front and back are like this. Left and right, the magnetic field is there here. Yes, whatever the magnets are there, in between that one magnetic field is, flux lines are there here. Whatever I am not doing any movement of this one here, so the flux linking will be 0 here, because horizontally they are moving here now. Yes, there is no disturbance from the flux from north pole to south pole. These two fingers you consider as north and south here. Okay, when what I will do, whatever this paper is like a coil, you consider this paper is like a coil. In the anti-clockwise direction, I will start to rotate like this here. The flux lines will get disturbed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The flux lines will get disturbed, and whatever the north to south poles, the flux lines are flowing. Previously at constant, the flux lines are like this. Yes. When the paper, when the inside the coil is start to rotate, here it is going to cut the magnetic line flux. Yes, it is going to cut that one. So from 0 to some angles, what will happen? The EMF will induce some magnetic flux will be get disturbed. So magnetic flux linkage will occur at that coil here. Magnetic flux linkage will occur at that coil, and the EMF will start to induce us in this coil here. When the maximum flux, maximum EMF will induce us here, no, at this one it is 90 degree here now. So all the flux lines are disturbed by here, and all the flux lines are connected to this plane. Yes or no? Here.
Yes, sir.
It is in the
Yes.
vertical form now. So on that situation, the maximum flux will, we are going to, linkage will occur. So the EMF induced in this coil is maximum. EMF induced in this coil is maximum here now. So from 0 to 90 degree we are going to consider here now. 0 to 90 degree, yes, this angle is 0. This angle is 0. So from lightly I will in the anti-clockwise direction I am going to moving here now. 10, 20 degree, 30, 40, 50 up to 60, 70, 80, 90 degree. When the 90 degree it will reach us, it is going to get the maximum induced EMF. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So 0 to 90 degree, we are generating some EMF, but for the 0 degree, the EMF induced is 0. When it will 45 degree, some current, some EMF will induce us, but at 90 degree, we are going to get the maximum EMF induced in the coil we are going to get. Yes or no? Yes?
Yes, sir.
So this is, next what I will do, here the maximum we got the value, maximum value I got that one. I will next again, it will start to rotate in the anti-clockwise direction only. Yes, generation will start here. Then what will happen? From the maximum induced EMF to minimum, it will start to decreases. Flux linkage will be decreases, na?
Yes, sir.
So obviously it will, what it will happen? It will start to decreases at 180 degree. इधर 0 था, 90 degree को गए. Next क्या हो गए? 180 degree. Next half cycle, next 90 degree को, it will become 0. The again EMF induced is become 0 here. So 0 to 90, maximum 90 to 180, it will become come back to the 90 to 0, maximum to 0 it will come back. Yes, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
during this period, what will happen? A to B, B to C, it will A to B, B to C, it will occur here now. So next when it will start to rotate, the terminals will become reverse here now. Whatever the previous terminals will become reverse. Reverse हो जाएगा ना?
Yes, sir.
So all terminals will reverse means what will happen in the negative direction? Again positive will become negative and negative will become positive here now. Then it will start to again from 0 to again it will start to increase here. Again it will start to increase. At 90 degree, we'll get the maximum negative value of maximum EMF will get that one. From next 90 to again 360, 0 to 90, 90 to 180, 180 to 270 this one. 180 to 270 will get the value in negative here now. Yes, 270 degree again will get the maximum value. Then from 270 to 360 it will become 0 here, and whatever the terminals will come to the original position. So like that only in the diagram where it is here, see here, A, B, C, D terminals are there here. A, B, C, D terminals at initial condition 0 here, it is like this. It is like this, the terminals are there. A, B, C, D here now. A, B, C, D. One coil we have used here now. So that is A, B, A, and this is BC, and this is AB here. Yes, A is connected to one brush here, and D is connected to another brush. These brushes will, whatever the EMF induced is there, it is going to collect here in the galvanometer. It is going to detect the value here, how much EMF induced here now. So at the initial condition, A, B, this is A and this is B, it is flat condition. So no, there is no EMF induced here now. EMF induced is 0. So here 0 is there. Okay, 0 is there. Next, what it will do, it will start to rotate in anti-clockwise direction. Some 45 degree it will rotate here. For 45 degree, what will happen? Some flux linkage will occur here. No, it is going to generate some EMF will induces in this coil, that is detected by a galvanometer. That one, see here. This one you see here, 1 to 2, 0 था पहला one, second position 45 degree को some value आ गया इधर. Screen देखो. Some value is detecting here, some value is there. Next, when it will become 90 degree, here the A is downside now here. This is the B here now. Like this, A is downside now here. A, B terminals are down now here. So it will become maximum value, maximum EMF will induce us here. So
Yes,
that
sir.
is maximum
sir.
value or peak value we are going to get here. Next, what will happen from 92? This is 90 to 120 degree. 120 degree, what will happen? I will slowly, it will rotate again here now. The flux linkage will reduce us and the voltage will be, EMF will be reduces here. Yes. Next from 120 to 180 degree here. 180 degree, halfly rotate हो गए अभी. 180 degree हो गए. This 180 degree को क्या हो गए? Zero आ गए. Yes. Zero.
Yes, sir.
Now B terminal see here. पहला इधर था B, अभी इधर हो गए. Yes, A side में हो गए. ये इस side में हो गए. Okay. C and this is D here now. Next again what we have to do? Next another half cycle we have to rotate this one here now. Next what will happen? It is start to rotate again from 180 degree to some 270 degree. It will start to rotate here. Again the magnitude will be, sorry, maximum EMF will induce us here now. But the collection point, negative cycle, EMF induced direction will be negative here now. So it will detect the value in a minus here now. Because A and B terminals are reversed here now. A and D terminals are reversed here now. So it will start to detect negative value. So negative half cycle will create here for the 270 degree. Next from 270 to 360 degree, again it will come back to the original position. So it will come back to the zero here. Zero here. So this is the two magnets. In between these two magnets, flux lines are there. Which one? The one coil, single turn coil we have used here now. It will for 90 degree and 270 degree. Maximum flux linkage will occur here now. For that maximum flux linkage, it will induce EMF will be maximum, and that is generation of sinusoidal AC voltage or current we are going to call that. Is it clear the topic? टॉपिक क्लियर हो गए? और किसी को कुछ डाउट है तो बोलो. इतना डिफिकल्ट भी नहीं है, उतना इजी भी नहीं है दिस वन. फॉर दैट रीजन ओनली आई कंसीडर्ड पेपर हियर नाउ. इफ यू हैव द स्केल मींस अगेन इट विल बिकम इजी. स्केल मींस अगेन इट विल बिकम इजी. दिस इज B and C. यू कंसीडर B and C. सर्कल को रोटेशन होना है. सर्कल रोटेशन मींस दिस इज B is there. This whatever I am holding here, this will be first 90 degree. Scheduled flux will maximum. Thus B will be reversed here now for 180 degree. Reverse हो गए ना? This is
Yes,
B.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, to get back to the original position, we have to rotate this one completely 360 degree. We have to rotate. For 0 to 180, half cycle is there, positive half cycle. At 180 degree, the terminal will become reverse, and positive and negative will be reverse over there. So positive terminal, it will negative value in EMF will induce us here. The direction of induced EMF will be negative direction. So that is negative half cycle we are going to consider. This process will continue further. Just we have considered this is for one cycle. One cycle 0 to 360 degree circle. ये circle है ना, circle में consider किया हमने. 0 to 360 degree circle में we have to consider. Next again for the second cycle, एक cycle हो गया 0 to 360. Next cycle को क्या करने का? Next cycle again some positive half cycle, negative half cycle. Positive half cycle it will continue over there. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts? Any doubts? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Whatever the same explanation we have written here. Same explanation. One more thing I will explain here now. See here. This is the direction. Whatever the flux lines are there, it is horizontal to the whatever the single turn coil we have used at initial condition here. Initial condition को same direction में था. उसके लिए there is no flux linkage, so EMF induced will become zero here. Next, what will happen? Some 45 degree turn will occur here now. Yes, 45 degree turn हो गए. This one, A angle से 45 degree turn हो गए.
Yes, sir.
So for 45 degree turns, some flux will be linking to this single turn coil. So EMF will induce us in that one, but it is not maximum value. Some value of the EMF will be induced. Next, for 90 degree, what will happen? It is in the vertical. It is vertical to the flux lines here now. So all the flux will get linked with this single turn coil. So the maximum phi max we are going to consider. Maximum flux will be linked to this coil. So EMF induced in this coil will become maximum here. Maximum here. Next, what will happen? Next, again some angles it is going to split in the anti-clockwise direction. So flux linkage will be decreases, the EMF induced will be decreases, and after some 45 angles, it will come back to the 0 degree, 180 degree it will come back, and again for the 180 to 270, this one, and 270 to 360 degree, like that it is going to repeat. Like that it is going to deflate. See, this is whatever the downside direction is there, these are the flux lines. Whatever this flat is there, this is a single turn coil we are going to consider here. Single turn coil we are going to consider here. Still time is there, but the derivation I will explain in the next class. Generation of sinusoidal AC voltage, we have taken the heading.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
take this diagram. ये diagram ले लो. Take this diagram. This complete diagram you take down. Try to take that one. Complete diagram. But नहीं तो ये single diagram. This diagram and this waveform you take down. This complete diagram. इसको ये एक circle करने का इधर. ये single circle करो. Here they have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here in between 7 is there and 8 is there. Like that you can write here at the flat. This is 1. ये 1, 2, 3 है ना इधर. 1, 2, 3, 0 degree, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ऐसा लिख के ये भी 1, 2, 3, 4 लिख. Circle 1. This diagram and this waveform you take. After completing this one, you just let me know. Complete हो गई तो बोल दो मेरे. समझ में आ रहा है ना? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you have any doubts, you can ask me also. Roll number 3, roll number 6, 9, 10, 11.
Present, sir.
Who? 11, na?
Yes, sir.
12,
Present, sir.
13. Roll number 13. 17. Roll number 17.